wine is frozen. Look. I mean, I like cold wine, but this is like slushy cold, like in the freezer for actually, I think 2 days. It's the weekend wine. So I just did a work with me video. I know some of you could care less about a work with me video, but there's other people who have been emailing me wanting me to make work with me videos and talk about the business and all of that. I'm not gonna start doing cooking tutorials because this is like my meditation. I will never stop doing those. So today's a cook with me video. Decided to do for the kid tortellini with the meat in it, the beef in it, sauce. I'm making it Boricua style, so you know that means that I'm gonna put in there whatever the hell I find. I have to taste this wine. Hold on. Ooh. Entonces I'm going to make myself, and then of course I called Big Papa to let Big Papa know what was for dinner, and I told him I'm going to make me some salmon and salad, because I buy the individual wrapped salmons. That way when I make the kids something that I don't like, or if I'm doing something quick for them, then I'll have a piece of salmon with like a vegetable or a salad, because I love a good bowl of salad. And then Papa was like, no, take out the fresh salmon I bought the other day and make salmon. I want salmon, and Papi Pablo too wants it. So we're gonna have salmon and salad. The kids will have tortellini. So I think I'm gonna make a nice size tortellini, and then that way tomorrow I don't have to worry about the kids, and I'll have a salad again with maybe, I don't know what, with something. So that's what we're cooking today. Be easy, please try it. It's really, really good. And I'm using to make my sauce. And it's better, right? Because you put whatever you want in it. You can even put vegetables in it. Okay, so now. So let's start chopping. Camera wasn't on. All right, about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Also putting in 1 whole onion, a half a cup of cilantro. I don't have fresh garlic, so I'm gonna have to use some of these, what is this? Garlic sea salt and garlic powder. Because I have no garlic, no fresh garlic. Okay. The onions. Okay, so I'm gonna add 1/28 ounce of crushed tomatoes with basil. It doesn't have to have basil. I always seem to get it with the basil. Alright, so to our tomato sauce, I'm gonna add some garlic powder, about maybe, I don't know, 2 tablespoons. So you guys already know. I'm gonna add some thyme. About a teaspoon, I don't use a lot of it. Add some pink salt. You can choose, you can choose to put whichever kind of salt you want in yours. I'm gonna add some oregano, about a teaspoon or so. I don't like a lot of oregano or thyme. I'm gonna add the pink salt, but you can add whatever salt you want. Right. This is the pasta that we're going to be using in this 14-ounce bag. I am using 4 because I am cooking for today y mañana and tomorrow. Pots because I needed the other pot for my salmon. So I'm gonna add 1 envelope chicken bouillon for flavor. And then to that I'm gonna add some red cooking wine. And I always get this from the Puerto Rican supermarket. They have them in ShopRite as well. I'm just gonna add probably about a cup and a half. And this is great. I use this especially when I make a lot of stew meats. I made the other day pepper steaks and white rice, and I put this in my pepper steaks. It was scrumptious. All right, so we're just gonna keep this still on low heat. You could taste it in about maybe 20 minutes. Let the chicken bouillon marinate with everything else you got going on in your sauce. Cover it up again. And then we'll check on in about 20 minutes and we'll give it a taste. So here's my salmon, and this is the only thing I'm going to put in it. Guys, when they have these marinades on sale, they come in like so many different, they come in so many different flavors. Whenever they have them on sale in ShopRite, I always stock up. I am not lying. This is the jerk, is one of our favorites, but they have so many. They have fajita flavors, they have like a Hawaiian mango flavor. I'm gonna use the jerk on our salmon. It's our favorite. So I'm not gonna do much to these. I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit of pink salt and my jerk marinade, and then I'll bring it to the stove. Pink salt, guys, pink salt. Guys, we're gonna make Texas toast garlic bread, ShopRite brand. My kids, when I make pasta, always ask for the bread. So if I don't have Italian bread and make my own, this is what it is. Guess what? I make my bread in the air fryer. I know you're probably like loca, in the air fryer, and it comes out like you just baked it. So here we go. maybe I do need, just hold it like that. Wait, don't show this. Okay. So if you're wondering, because for some reason my phone, okay. So if you're wondering why I put olive oil into my pasta, well, this is a lot of tortellinis. Whoops, and one jumped out of my pot. The reason I'm doing it like this is because I'm gonna save some of this, right? So today I made pasta. Today I made homemade pasta. Tomorrow, if the kids want, they can have this with Alfredo sauce, and I'll have the jar Alfredo sauce, and they can have it with that. And this is why I put the olive oil in, and basically so it can stop it from sticking. And I'm gonna put this in a glass jar. That way, whatever they eat today, the rest will go in the refrigerator.
I'm gonna taste test it.
Okay. Gigi's gonna taste it.
Uh-huh.
It's hot. It's hot. It's good?
Hot.
All right, guys. All right, guys, so this is our sauce. So what I like to do is, this is the water we use to make our pasta, and it has a lot of starch. So I use that always, at least one spoon in my sauce. Whenever I make sauce, I always put 1 spoon of the water from the starches of my pasta. And I'm gonna give the sauce a taste. Don't burn your mouth. So I drizzle the bottom of my pan with some olive oil, okay? Now I'm gonna allow my pan to get a little hot because I left the skin on the bottom of my salmon. So I wanted to, you know, crisp up a little bit when I place the salmon into my pan. Alright guys, so we're going to cover this, and I'm cooking mine at a low to medium heat, and I'm going to cover it for about 5 minutes. Today we're going to be using the spring mix. So I'm gonna open it up, and guys, with these salad mixes, I really don't do anything. I just put a really good salad dressing on there. Once in a while, I'll chop up some apples. I'll slice up strawberries. If you guys want me to make a video on how I make my salads with the fresh fruit in it, let me know. It's so freaking good. But today we're gonna be using this. I'm not doing much. I'm gonna add this tzatziki sauce and the salmon, and that'll be mine, Paul's, and Papi Pablo's dinner, because my daughter Tatiana is in Florida right now. So let's get the salad done. I love her so much. I love you, Mingy. She knows that. So this is her. Gigi's always simple. She doesn't want salmon. She's, you know, some days she wants salmon, some days she doesn't. She didn't want no salad. She only wanted half a garlic bread and the pasta. And sometimes I make rice and the beans. Well, no. Whenever I make rice, white rice and beans, or yellow rice and beans,
that's good.
Yeah, she'll kill that. And a lot of times she doesn't even want the meat, because, honey, I always make a meat on the side.
So because I ate it so much when I was littler.
When you were littler?
Yeah.
Guys, this is the salmon. Oh my God, my phone. All right, so this is the salmon. Delicioso. So what I did was I put some fresh mango on here. I was gonna use make a mango puree with the mango puree that my dad gave me from Puerto Rico, because those mangoes are delicious, but they're frozen. So I use the fresh mangoes that I bought, because normally we'll have mango for breakfast or for lunch, so I always stack up our mangoes for the week. So this is the salmon with the mango on it. I didn't put anything else on here. I might squeeze some lemon juice, I don't know. This here is the other mango, the mango, Dios mío, ayúdame. This is the other salmon. They're gonna refrigerate. I don't think this is enough for dinner. I'm gonna refrigerate this. I did slice up some more mangoes for the kids to pick on, or if anything, if they want tomorrow, they can put it on here. Tomorrow they can add another topping on their salmon, or they can have it like this. I did sprinkle a little bit of jerk seasoning on top of this before I took it out, being that this I know is going to be for tomorrow, so this is for today. So I want to show you guys something. This glaze right here, delicious. Okay, so if you see here, I can never say that, balsamic vinegar glaze. Let me change hands. So this is what it is. This thing is delicious. So we're just gonna go on the top like this. With the mango, the salmon is delicious. You can even use this on chicken, guys. I'm telling you, it's so my loves. This is my meal prepping for two days. As you just so I just told you I'm not gonna do anything with the salmon. I'm gonna put it in a glass container like these right here, smaller one, and I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator because I know we're not gonna eat that. We're gonna have this deliciousness today though. All right, here's one of the plates. Obviously it's for one of the kids because they don't want fish nor salad, but this is what it is. So this is on my plate, the salad, the salmon, that delicious mango, that basil, oh my god, glaze, delicious. And that is the tzatziki sauce. Like I said, you don't need a lot of tzatziki sauce, just a little bit, but if you like a lot, go for it. I did pair my salad with this salad dressing that Paul got from the farmer's market. Blackberry walnut dressing, it's delish. The salmon, mango, and that balsamic glaze. All right, guys, this is a tzatziki sauce I was telling you about. You can get this in the farmer's market or in ShopRite that I know of, and it's delicious. This is not something you're gonna eat a whole bunch, just a little bit. It's so good. It's good on salad. It's good on so many things. I'm gonna introduce you guys to more dishes and how to use this, right? Because change is good. The mango, which I just told you guys, I'll save it for this salmon. If not, then the kids can pick at it. This is the tortellini with the meat inside. That's why you see the brownness, because it has brown meat. This is the garlic bread that I made in my air fryer. And I just pressed the fry button for 15 minutes and it was done. And I got dressing on my nails. And this is the mixed salad. So whatever we don't need, I'll put that also in one of these glass containers and refrigerate it. So this is our dinner for the next 2 days, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Yes, yes, yes. Easy meals. Perfect for the summer. 2 days in a row. Oh, this is cheese because I sprinkled the cheese on top of the kids' pasta with the sauce. So yeah, this is it. Thank you so much for tuning in. It's Simply Nena con, ya tú sabes, crafting, cooking, y sazon. All right, my loves, to the next video. God bless.